What do you say? Fun when you're trying to gather funds? No. ¿Cómo se dice?
Yeah, fundraising.
But you're trying to
Raise funds.
raise funds. All right. So bid on it. A lot.
Are you rolling or no?
Yeah, of course he is.
Yeah. All right.
Okay.
Good.
Ready?
Set.
Hi everyone, I'm Juli.
And I'm Juan, and we're very happy to be here helping this wonderful organization. A few weeks ago, a good friend of ours approached to see if we could donate an item. And we decided to donate what we love to do the most, which is cooking.
We're gonna pair with wine. Cocktails is usually a ton of fun. We'll be there laughing, sharing stories with you guys. We hope to have some live music and just share a wonderful moment together and remember why we're all here trying to help this wonderful organization and gather funds for the kids.
Join us for this wonderful day, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your night.
And can't wait to see you guys.
Bit on it a
A
lot.
lot. Hey, we're trying to go to raise funds here, so go St.Judes.